So in this video, we're going to show you how to move funds from your Binance account into your Ledger Live wallet. And just as a reminder for this, you're going to need a phone, access to your email, cell phone reception, and Google two-factor authentication on your phone setup if you have that. So let's get into it here. Here we are on our Binance exchange wallet, and for this demonstration I'm going to show you how to move Stellar Lumens because maybe you're not always going to want to do Bitcoin, and just to let you know that it's the same process just with a different coin. So for this we're going to go over to the withdraw button right here, and we're going to need to paste in our XLM address, which is the ticker for Stellar Lumens. So I'll go over to my Ledger Live account. You can see I've already downloaded Stellar onto my Ledger Live, and if you don't know how to do this, go back and watch our other tutorial video which explains how to set up accounts on your Ledger. So I'll click into Ledger here, or sorry, into Stellar rather, and I'll click on Receive. Alright, I'll click Continue. Now I want to open the app on my Ledger Live, my Stellar app on my Ledger Live. And then I'll copy this code right here and just make sure EJSW. Awesome. And then we're going to need to confirm the address on our ledger once again too. This is just for the extra security's sake. That's why these guys are awesome, is because they take care of your cryptos like nobody else can. Now I click done, and I will go back to my Binance account. I'll paste in my Stellar address. You can see that we've selected the Stellar blockchain. It's the only one that comes up. I'll select Max and click Submit. It says you did not fill in the memo. When it asks to fill in a memo, you need to do this. Sometimes with Stellar, you need to put something in the memo field, it's called, but in this case, we don't have to because it's going to Ledger Live. So for this, I'll click Confirm. Alright, and it comes up with this screen again, so I'm going to fill in all these things. My phone verification, my email verification, and then my Google two-factor authentication for maximum security. Alright, so now that I've filled that in, it'll say withdrawal request submitted. And if we go back to our wallet here, so you see it'll still show up for a little bit until the transaction is confirmed, but just Stellar's really fast, so it should only take a couple minutes, if not less. It's very quick. And then you'll see that show up in your Ledger Live. That's it. Hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next video.